As you can see on my screen, I'll be doing this setup. So we are going to configure a checkpoint firewall for SD-WAN things. In that, we will cover checkpoint firewall VPN setup, checkpoint firewall setup towards the SD-WANs, and then we will utilize too many features, too many things, uh, and we'll be playing around with troubleshooting in different scenarios. We'll be playing around creating a different scenarios, doing some different interface commands, doing some scripting, doing some AI intelligent things, lot of things. And all this configuration is on latest OS. So we'll be trying to use R82 Gaia OS in a checkpoint firewalls and in routers the latest images. And same we'll be doing on a checkpoint cloud where we'll use CCSA application and configure SD-WAN. We'll try to filter out the traffic, routes and everything. So if you have not subscribed my channel, try to subscribe it, and if you are not member of my channel to see all these things, then become. So basically this is a PNET lab, guys. So in my previous videos also you have seen this. So what I'll do right now, I just want a folder here. I give it a name with my name so that it will be easy for all the labs integration. So inside that, let's create a lab. Give it a name, SD-WAN SASE, okay, and add. So this is the space I need to keep in mind. So I'll start it from here. So we'll try to deliver all what we have here on the lab. So let's start with the all these PCs and all these switches configuration, right? Uh, although we will be not using everything at the same time, but for the lab purpose, we'll create a topology first and we'll proceed accordingly. So first I'll have this PC, then I'll create multiple switches, right? And then I'll create a gateway, and there is somewhere management server. It is not shown here, but I'll create that as well. All right. So let's start. Let me just go ahead, click to the node. If I say Windows, I need to select a PC. This is the correct one. Let me just scroll this guy down. Or I just want to do one thing. Let's do this. I have little bit screen resolution so that I can do it well. So Windows, let me see if I can go a little bit up. Yeah. So I need these basic things. I will not do any more changes here. So I'll just click OK. So the PC thing is here. So this PC I have just placed on the lab, right? Now let's try to have these switches. For now, let's have one switch. So let's right click node, and then I'll just say IO something. So here you will see IOS switch. I'll be having this guy only. There is multiple switches, but I require this one. So let me just let's scroll up and say save. Everything I'll just use by default what we have, right? One switch here. Let me just take this PNET lab here somewhere. PC active downs and switch here. And I need one more thing. I need one more switch. So I'll go again. iOS. And here you can give the multiple requirements, like how many switches you want. You just say one or two or three, whatever it is. For the safe showing purpose, I'm just creating a new, okay, switch here as per our lab. Now let's add this gateway. Before that, let's add management server as well, right? So somewhere in between here, I'll keep it that management server. So let's see what I have for the checkpoint security gateway. So this is a checkpoint security gateway. As I promised, I'll go with the CPSG 82 version, right? Here, if you see, I'll like to give RAM which is more than 10 gigs, right? So that it function well. So that is what I have given. And you know what, how many interfaces you want. For now, it's a normal thing, so I'll just give it a 4. If you want more, you can add it here, and I say save. Okay, so CP, I'll change the name, like this is SMS, right? So here you can change that. So I'll say SMS, Security Management Server. And if you like to change icon, you can change it from here. So this is a management server. So let's see if we have anything for the SMS or management, so that we can rectify it as it is a management server. So it's good. This guy looks good for me, or this guy. All right, say it's something like checkpoint. So this image is what we have, but I just want something good, something look like a management. So let's have this guy for now. Select it. Okay. And I say save. So this is a SMS. Next thing, we require 2 gateways. So same thing, I'll just go to the nodes here, checkpoint gateway. What happened? Let me go again. This guy here, this is the same thing, and here I would say 8 gig for the gateway is sufficient for now. So I'm mentioning that. And interface, for now, as per the lab, we required 1, 2, 3, 4 interface. So 4 is sufficient for now. If you require more, you can add it here. Like I said, I need a 6 interface. So I'll just say 6 and say OK, right? So this gateway come. Let me just say one more gateway I needed. As per the lab, I'll have 8 gigs, and here also I would like to have 6 interfaces. Okay. Remind you, I'm just going against the what the by default things are there. So if needed, we can set to the by default like a 4 interface only to support this PNet integration, right? So this is done. Next thing.